Another interesting tool in the workflow is Creative Fusion. It's mixing your basic image to a different style and creating a new image. For example, again, for example, this image, you can use the default image or you can upload your image. For example, I use this girl, and now this is your basic image and this is your style. Here you can, if you're going mouse over that, you can select your style directly from here or from here. It's not different. If you select it, it's open again. If you want to convert this style, for example, metallic or this, for example, I want to mix these two styles together or something like that. It's very interesting. So if you want, in between, you can add a prompt. For example, VR glass, red hair, anything that you want, you can write here or choose the style, the mode. From mode, I explained them before. In this case, it's add a mixing and facial. That's blend face from the first image with the second image. It's blending if you have two more. But default, it's using outline. I explained them before. It's mixing your desired image with the style a little bit. Not very changing your base image. I explained them before. You can refer to, I think, first video. Or blending. You can test them because in different cases they are different. Okay, let's generate to mixing these two images together. And let's see, what happened there. Make sure the fast mode is on, but you have to subscribe. Nice, you can see it changing this girl with that. Side by side. Nice. It's for face. You can mix, for example, architectural scene. For example, architectural scene, in this case, it's not good. These are for face. You have to go to other tab. For example, interior design. I want this. I want to mix this with this. You make sure going to these tabs and choose the best one for your nice. The Cinema 4D tab is there. My favorite software that created lots of tutorial about that. You can go to Cinema 4D playlist in my channel. Okay, style intensity. If you want, you can make it 100%. It means it's going create more of this image. But if you want to maintain your reference image, decrease the number of that 50%. And the number of image 1, or if you want, you can make it 3 different version of that. But if you make it 3, you spend more coin. Be careful about that. Click on this to see which tools spend how much coin. And generate. Let's see, mixing these images, what happened to our final result. Nice, you can see it's fast. And for example, I love this. Side by side, you can see it's our reference image and this is our image based on that style. Interesting. So make sure you choose a, for example, this style with this, it's not very good. You have to select body, something like that. Okay, if you want to, for example, this, I think mixing this sphere to that, let's what happen, little bit up, and generate 2. Let's what happened to mixing. So choose a style, depend on your base image. Nice, you can see. Side by side. Mixing 2 image based on this style. In powerful, or you can add any prompt that you want. Creative Fusion, interesting. Let's see this product with some prompt. Again, a style, you have to commercial space, product design. For example, this product with something like that. Or let's choose Cinema 4D. I want to, for example, put my, if you want to put your image in this, you have to use other AI tool that I explained before. Replace, you can use the replace. Let's see mixing together and mode mixing, and let's what happen. You have to experiment yourself the modes, because with the different images it has a different situation. Nice, you can see it's mixing them together. And let's going a style, no mode to outline, this is for face, and let's add some prompt to that. Okay, let's add this drum, make the background color blue. Let's see what's happened. Or you can add lots of prompt, and then I want to enhance that to see what happened next. But it's better working with the face, the body. It mixing scene, something like that. Interesting. It's a little bit in bluing the inside of that. Enhance that to the curve counts, align color with color sketch before. Wow, we can see it has a lots of prompt there. Let's see what happened. If you click on enhance again, it's created different prompt for you. Nice. Okay, you can use them and experiment yourself. They are very useful and nice.
For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.